Here is a comparison between HSBC Premium MasterCard and Travel One MasterCard. On HSBC, you can enjoy privileges at home and overseas, and there are account holders that only be eligible, and there are a lot of benefits that you can get from privileges and other features. On the other one, HSBC Travel One credit card gives you an unlocked world of travel freedom because it can lead you to 36,000 miles of travel depending on what you want. Now, for a concise comparison, here is a table. Now let's start first for the barrier to entry. The Premier MasterCard has premier banking status that requires maintaining high total relationship balance, while Travel One has an income base. For transfer partners, Premium has limited and Travel One is extensive. And for the core value, Premier MasterCard has lifestyle and perks that focuses on zero annual fees, while Travel One is a miles machine. So if you'd like to travel very far, you can go ahead and use Travel One card. But if your card is more on a life status and a life journey, you can go ahead and purchase or use Premium MasterCard. These are the differences between the two.